It's really no exaggeration to say that getting a Glowforge a few years ago really changed my life in a great way. Hey, what is up, everybody? My name is Mark, and I'm a creator. I create designs to help other laser owners. Like a lot of you, my passion for creating started when I was just a little kid. The passion for creating kept lasting all throughout my life, even up to today. So as I got into high school and into early college, I started designing things on a computer. And then one day I saw this ad for a thing called a Glowforge. And I saw that this device, this tool was going to come out. And I thought, you know what? I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with that, but I got to have one because I think I can make some cool stuff with that. And I knew within 30 minutes of that thing hitting my doorstep, it was going to make a change in my life. The first thing I did was I cut out my daughter's name, and I cut that out of some wood, and I thought, oh my gosh, this is cool. For several months, I made something new every single day. It was awesome. I started selling some things on Etsy. I sold a whole bunch of nameplates for people's desks. And as that business started growing, I realized eventually I was going to need to make this my full-time job or stop this hobby altogether because I couldn't do both. Well, fortunately for me, the creative side of things grew big enough to where I could actually do that as a full-time job. And one day I was able to put in my notice at my regular job and do design full-time. I've created several hundred different things over the last few years, and this is only just a little bit of a glimpse at some of them. But I want to show you a few of my favorite things, including this chess set right here. I love it. It's got chess pieces, it's got Othello, and it's got checkers built in, and it all closes into a box with magnets on the lid. And then also my other favorite items that I made are these guitar-shaped banks. 3 different sizes, different orientations. I looked on Facebook and I found some Facebook groups for Glowforge owners. Everybody started asking each other if they could share their design files. Hey, could I have that file? I want to make that too. Hey, could I have that file? I want to make that too. So I went and I opened up an Etsy shop for just files, and I put them on there for $5 a piece, I think. And I sold a couple hundred files within a couple days. And I realized, oh my goodness, there is a need for this out there that I didn't realize existed. So eventually over time, I phased out the physical item side of things. I decided to sell files full-time to other owners. In fact, that ended up becoming part of my mission statement, which is to help beginning and busy laser owners create great things faster. The one that I want to show you right now is the one that we are featuring in the catalog this month, and it is my turntable coaster set. It's really cute. You can make these little records any way that you want, and you can store one right here on top, and then it also stores 3 different ones down here at the bottom. Every single day that I get to create something new is a great day, and I can thank Glowforge in part for that, and I love it.